Welcome back to Creatively Homemade, the remote and hybrid professional. I'm excited to share Lesson 10 of our series. In today's fast-paced customer engagement landscape, live chat support is a critical channel for connecting with customers instantly. This lesson focuses on responding in chats, professionalism in real-time text. It's a unique skill set that combines quick thinking with precise, written communication. Will guide you through maintaining a professional tone, ensuring absolute clarity, and maximizing your efficiency, even when managing multiple conversations at once. Our goal is to empower you to respond swiftly, resolve issues effectively, and relate genuinely with your customers in every chat interaction. Live chat operates in a unique space within customer service. First, it's inherently immediate and real-time. Customers expect quick responses, often within seconds. Second, it's entirely text-based, meaning you lose the vocal nuances from phone calls and the visual cues from video meetings. Your words alone carry all the weight. Third, chat agents often find themselves multitasking, managing several conversations simultaneously, which adds a layer of complexity. Finally, customers using chat typically expect both speed and accuracy. They want quick answers, but they also need those answers to be correct and helpful. Understanding these unique characteristics is the first step to mastering professionalism in this dynamic environment. It requires a different set of skills compared to phone or email. Just like with emails, maintaining a professional tone in chat is crucial, but it has to be done in real time. Firstly, always use positive and empathetic language. Phrases like, "I understand your frustration," or "I'd be happy to help with that," go a long way. Avoid negative phrasing or sounding dismissive. Secondly, avoid slang and excessive emojis. While a simple smiley might be okay if the customer uses one first, generally stick to professional language. Too many emojis or casual abbreviations can undermine your credibility. Thirdly, use proper grammar and punctuation. Even in quick chats, correct spelling and sentence structure reflect professionalism. Finally, you can subtly mirror the customer's formality level. If they are very formal, maintain that. If they are slightly more casual, you can relax your tone slightly, but always default to professional. This creates rapport without sacrificing your professionalism. In real-time chat, clarity and conciseness are paramount. Customers want quick answers, so get to the point quickly. Don't start with lengthy introductions or unnecessary pleasantries. State the answer or the next step immediately. If you need to convey complex information, break it down into short, digestible sentences or even multiple smaller messages. Avoid sending one giant block of text, as it's hard for customers to read and process quickly. Where appropriate, use bullet points or numbered lists to make information scannable and easy to follow. For example, if giving instructions: 1. Click Settings. 2. Select Account. 3. Choose Password Reset. Before hitting send, always read your message quickly to ensure it's clear and unambiguous. Remember, every word counts in chat, and clear, concise messages lead to faster resolutions and happier customers. Efficiency is a hallmark of professional chat support. Our next strategy focuses on quick response techniques. Firstly, utilize canned messages or snippets. These are pre-written responses for common questions or scenarios. For instance, a standard greeting or a common troubleshooting step. They save immense time and ensure consistent, accurate information. Secondly, work on your typing speed and accuracy. The faster and more accurately you can type, the quicker you can respond. Practice regular typing tests to improve. Thirdly, Anticipate the customer's next questions. After you provide an answer, think about what they might ask next and include that information proactively. For example, if you tell them to click a button, also tell them what to expect after clicking it. Finally, minimize unnecessary tab switching or searching. Organize your resources so you can quickly access information. These techniques allow you to handle more chats effectively without sacrificing quality. One of the biggest challenges in chat is managing multiple chats effectively. It's a skill that requires organization and prioritization. First, prioritize your chats based on urgency or complexity. A customer with a critical issue might need more immediate attention than someone with a general inquiry. Most chat software allows you to see which chats have been waiting longest. Second, set clear expectations for response time. If you're busy, a quick message like, "Thanks for your patience. I'll be with you in just a moment," can calm a waiting customer. Third, use internal notes or reminders within your chat software. This helps you remember where you left off in each conversation, especially when switching between chats. Finally, avoid juggling too many chats at once if it compromises your quality. Know your limit and communicate with your team if you're overwhelmed. Quality over quantity is always key for customer satisfaction. Just like phone calls, chat interactions can present their own unique challenges. First, you'll encounter angry or frustrated customers. Apply the empathy and de-escalation techniques we covered in Lesson 11 of this series. Handling difficult people. Acknowledge their feelings and focus on solutions. Second, for complex issues, your goal is to efficiently gather necessary information and then know when to transfer the chat to a specialist or suggest a phone call if it's too intricate for text. Third, sometimes you'll face silence or no response from the customer. Have a clear follow-up protocol. How long do you wait before sending a polite check-in message, and when do you close the chat? Finally, be prepared for technical glitches on your end or the customer's. Communicate clearly if there's a delay due to a system issue. Proactive communication helps manage these challenges professionally. So, why invest so much in mastering professional chat support? The benefits are significant. Firstly, it leads to increased customer satisfaction. When customers receive quick, clear, and empathetic responses, they feel valued and their experience is positive. Secondly, it drives efficient issue resolution. Clear communication and quick responses mean problems are solved faster, saving time for both the customer and the company. Thirdly, professional chat contributes to a positive brand image. Every excellent chat interaction reinforces your company's commitment to quality service. Finally, chat interactions provide valuable data for improvement. Transcripts can be reviewed for training purposes, identifying common issues, and improving processes. Mastering chat is not just about individual performance. It's about contributing to overall business success. To further elevate your real-time chat support skills, I've compiled some excellent resources for you. On this slide, you'll find highly recommended books that delve into customer service excellence, such as The Customer Service Revolution by John R. DeJulius III, Delivering Happiness by Tony Hsieh, and Hug Your Haters by Jay Baer, which offers insights into handling complaints across digital channels. Additionally, there are valuable online tools and practices like thoroughly familiarizing yourself with your chat software's features, developing a library of canned messages, practicing your typing speed, and engaging with online customer service communities. For all the full details and where to find these, please make sure to check the comprehensive description below this video. Let's bring it all together. Mastering professional chat responses truly completes your digital communication skill set. We started with Lesson 1, Vocal Mastery, then crafted your Lesson 2, Phone Persona. Lesson 3 helped you overcome call anxiety, and Lesson 4 focused on eliminating fillers. Lesson 5, Active Listening became your foundation for understanding, leading to Lesson 6, Persuasion and Influence to guide decisions. Lesson 7, Navigating Zoom and Teams polished your virtual presence. Lesson 8, Email Etiquette solidified your written professionalism. Lesson 9, Texting Etiquette ensured your quick, timely messages were effective. Now, Lesson 10, Responding in Chats perfects your real-time text interactions. You are building a complete and versatile communication mastery that will serve you exceptionally well in any remote or hybrid role. Your journey to becoming a chat communication expert is now well defined. I encourage you to maintain a professional tone and clarity in every chat interaction. Consciously utilize quick response techniques like canned messages to boost your efficiency. And practice your multi-chat management skills to handle volume without sacrificing quality. If you found this lesson helpful and want to continue building essential skills for your thriving remote and hybrid career, please subscribe to Creatively Homemade, the Remote and Hybrid Professional. We're dedicated to empowering you in every aspect of your virtual work life. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I look forward to helping you chat with confidence and serve with excellence.